Hi guys, this is 2003 Nissan X-Trail engine, QR25 engine. So you can see in here, so QR25. So I'm going to refit this engine, going to overhaul. So you have to replace for the piston rings and put the new head gasket and the new timing chain kit. So I got in here the head gasket kit in here, all in there, the crank oil seal, head gasket, rocker cover gasket, everything. And here's the timing chain kit, you're going to replace for that one. And here's for the piston rings, it's a compression first ring and the second ring and the oil ring. This is the second one. Okay, all part I disassemble and the cleaning. This is the head. So they're getting two heads. This head is getting cracked, so I replace this new head. Here's the all timing chain kit. So I put the motor in the stand. So we're going to off the piston. Okay guys, it's the number 1 piston. Okay, here's the number 2. Okay guys, you can see the bore. So we have to clean this one properly. Okay, you can see the pistons in here. This one says number on it. Okay, so this is a number 4 piston. That's a number 4. And you can see this side, this is number 3. So So this is number 2 and this is number 1. So we have to clean all the pistons. Okay guys, we're going to clean the pistons. You can see I put some lubricant. You have to clean properly. Okay guys, I'm going to off the piston rings. This is the first ring. I'm going to off the first one. Okay, here's the first ring. Clean. Okay, then after off the second ring here. This is the second ring. There's no any mark. Okay, then I have to off the oil ring. One. That's the oil ring. So you can see the oil ring. There's a block completely. These holes. We have to clean that holes. We have to clean all the pistons like this. So you can now see clearly. Here's the hole for the oil ring. So extract the oil, they're going inside of the piston. There's 2 holes.